Hello, everyone. Today we're going to talk about Frontline Health. We, from the Daac Reviews Channel, have prepared a comprehensive review video with everything you need to know before buying Frontline Health. I also have some really important alerts that I will talk about throughout the video. So pay close attention so you don't make mistakes when using or purchasing Frontline Health. The first thing you need to know about Frontline Health is be careful with the website you're going to buy from because Frontline Health is only sold on the official website. To help you, I've left the link to the official website below in the description of this video. So, what is Frontline Health and does it really work? And the answer is yes, Frontline Health works. After many laboratory tests, researchers have identified a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that will bring great results. LiverGuard Plus is a 100% natural blend that targets the true cause of fatty liver and liver deterioration, replenishing harmful microbe cells unnoticed and helping to recover 100% of liver functions. With 26 high-quality plant extracts and vitamins, this formula is produced in FDA-approved facilities, ensuring safety and efficacy. Non-GMO and easy to consume, LiverGuard Plus does not require a restrictive diet, allowing you to enjoy the benefits while continuing to enjoy your favorite foods. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people who have had great results with Frontline Health, including on the official website, which contains numerous testimonials from customers who have used Frontline Health, and you can have results too. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. This is somewhat obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you can be realistic about your treatment and expectations. There is something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Frontline Health for 60 days, and if you don't see results or if you don't like it for any other reason, they will refund your money. So feel safe to use Frontline Health, but make sure you're buying it on the official website to ensure the benefits of the guarantee. Also, for Frontline Health to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. Otherwise, you won't see great results, and you will really get a little frustrated. You can see initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 2 to 3 months using this product due to its gradual effect. It's also important for you to know that Frontline Health has no side effects because it is natural. So, I decided to record this video first to tell you to be careful with the website you're going to buy Frontline Health from, and also, if you buy the product, to do the exact treatment. Take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else's because your body acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video has helped you, and I also hope that Frontline Health really helps a lot to improve your life and many other benefits that this product promotes. Remember that the official website of the product is located in the link in the description. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe here to this channel and leave your like. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon.